So, exams over. I don't know what I wrote, but I hope I'll get through without any backlogs. And since it's over, it's time to take some break, right? My friend's coming over, and then we'll be going out and seeing some places with his friends and stuff. So, yeah, that's it.
Test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't.
Welcome to Terenam Vlog. I hope you can hear me. And accompanying us is his friends. They're at the back. And it's good to take a break from life, from worries, and just go out sometime. So do that. Yeah, and in this video it's not much about talking. It's just more about showing the beautiful scenery. This is a tea garden. A tea garden, but not in a plain area. It's in a very hilly area. How you can say about your Mumtaz?
Hi Mumtaz, how are you? इतना सुंदर जगह में आए तुमको मिस कर रहे हैं. I miss her, man. I miss her a lot. I don't know where she went, man. Mumtaz, please come back. I miss you so much.
And there's another man over there. And his friends come. Yeah, right. Okay, yeah. And yeah, this is activity for energy, green energy.
For today. बस्ता ज़्यादा भरा के लेके आता है.
I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste. And I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine. That's so insane. Jealous of the glory that she is up on a tight frame. All game, no shame. Baby, can't get away. I feel like kinetic.
Now we have another guide over here, the guy in the cycle. Lahoon.
YouTube video बनाया.
He's taking us to a place to see waterfall, or I don't know, eco retreat.
Excuse me, please. Oh, he's racing with Lahore.
This is the location in which we came to see waterfall, but sadly it ran dry because of no rain. And now they're at a place where they say that sacrificial ceremonies takes place. Since the waterfall was flop,
We're going to a resort.
to pee. Literally, we are going to a wedding.
सीरियसली सही यार मैं भी बहुत दिनों बाद आ रहा हूँ
And the P turned into sightseeing again. This place is romantic, man. Oh, before it was different, right? Oh, even boating is here. The green carpet. It's really romantic for the guy who brought his girlfriend only. Only for them, not for these two and me. My things. Guide. Oh. Backup plan. Ain't bad. PK Eco's retreat. Go for a ride. Rider code 2.
नहीं डिम करले हिउ डिम हो जाए
That's it for inside here. It's always good to have a second plan option like I've said. Because of this we couldn't order anything. 120 chalo. क्या?
आज ही दुकान खुला है ना इसलिए
आज ही यार दुकान खुला है तो हम ओपनिंग सेरेमनी कर रहा है I'm doing opening ceremony. आज ही खोला है बोल रहा है
বহনি কৰাই দিও না জানে
আজি খুলিছে কৈছিলে সব মানুহ আহি আছে That's Nagamis. That's Nagamis.
It's quite simple.
itu ami kham ऐसा बोलते हैं ना
itu ami খাবো
itu ami khabo
हाँ
itu na khao tu itu na khabo
itu ना खा मोई ना खाओ है ना भाई वो बड़ा वाला भी एक दो ना ये सुपारी बड़ा वाला भी एक
सुपारी बड़ा वाला
एक ठू दे दो हाँ मोटा वाला I'm not a pro but I've learned how to ride with one hand. I hope I don't fall. This is the guide cycle. He's also my friend. I need a better phone. I need a better camera. I really need a better camera. Is this your shop?
No.
Then?
मेरे पापा का
पापा का है मालूम है. And that's it. The perfect way to end the vlog is with Chai.
Hello, Mumtaz.
Thank you Mumtaz. Sajan.